Okay guys, so today we're going to talk about prefixes. So we've got prefixes and suffixes. Right now we're just going to worry about the prefix. So when you think about this, you want to think about the word pre. Pre means before. So a prefix is, let's give a definition. It's a part of a word added, and this is the part that's important, added to the beginning of a word. Of a, let's say, a base word or a root word to change the meaning. So we're going to use, that's our big thing. So it's the big part there is to the beginning of a base word. So we're going to start by listing a couple base words. Okay, so we're going to put right here, we're going to put base word. Uh-oh, let's change this. That one doesn't work. Okay, so our base words. Okay, so we're going to keep them in green. So our base words, I'm going to use our spelling list for this week that's on the very, very front right here. So these are the words that have prefixes on them. Okay, so our base word, we're going to do agree. We're going to do like. We're going to do use, write, and let's do lock. Okay, so these are all our base words. These are the words that we started with, and we're going to then add something, going to add a prefix to the beginning to change it. So since we started prefix in red, we'll go back to that. So let's put over here a spot for prefixes. Okay, so the prefixes that we're working with this week are dis. So if we have dis plus agree, we get the new word of disagree. Agree means to believe somebody, to have the same understanding of something. So if you disagree with them, if you agree with them, you think that they are correct, that they have the right idea. But if you disagree, it means you do not agree. So dis means not, okay? Same thing, if we have dis plus the word like, we end up, when we like something, it's something that we favor, something that makes us happy. But if we dislike something, dislike means that we do not like it, or not liking, or to not like, okay? So let's look at, so dis means no or do not. Use, we wouldn't disuse something. So we're going to try a different prefix. This time we're going to use the prefix re, R-E. So if we use something, like right now I'm using my pen, or I drank my tea out of this can because I used the can to hold my tea, right? Okay, so if we take this over here and we add re and the base word of use, we have reuse. So re means to do it again. So I could reuse this can if I recycle it. I could reuse this paper when I teach you about suffixes down here. Okay, so re means again. So re plus use gives you reuse, and it means to use again. So let's do re again. So we've got re plus the word write. So if we rewrite something, oops, I messed up, look at that. I rewrite something, what does that mean? It means I'm going to write it again. Okay, now let's add one, let's do two more, and this time we're going to use a different prefix. So let's use, we could use unlock, because we could relock the door when we leave, but instead we're going to use un. So un plus the word lock gives us unlock. We're going to unlock our door. So if we unlock, it's not locked anymore. If we use un plus, and let's do the base word of happy, unhappy, it goes over. And if we are unhappy, it means that we are not happy. Okay? So if we have un plus happy, we use the prefix of un, the base word of happy, we put them together to make the word unhappy. We go from being happy and smiley and happy and great to not being happy. We have a locked, our door is locked. If we add un plus lock, we have a door that is unlocked or not locked. Okay, so those are prefixes. So your guys' job is going to be to do this page, which is page 9. There's 3 pages that go with this. There's this page, page 10. And then there's this page, page 59. Okay, so this one's towards the back of the packet. These are all things you can do on your own. However, on page 9, we've never done this part before, so I'm going to do this part with you / for you, okay? So fill in the boxes for the spelling word unlock. The meaning, what does it mean to unlock something? It means that it is not locked. Okay, so the meaning of unlock is not locked. Okay, a sentence, I will, remember, start with that sentence, I will unlock the car. Okay, so we're unlocking the car. We are taking the car out of lock. So an antonym means opposite. So what is the opposite of unlock? It would be lock. That one's a nice, easy one, huh? Okay, and this one, things that unlock. Well, things that unlock. Doors. What else? Mentioned up here, cars can unlock. What do we normally lock? Think about book fair. You guys always want those little diaries with a padlock or a little lock on it. A padlock, and you can add any other ones in there if you guys can think of anything else. So if you guys have any questions on what you're supposed to do, just let me know, and good luck with your prefixes, and next will be our lesson on suffixes. Okay, bye guys.